Morning, sir. I can help you.
Yes.
Are you looking for something in particular?
Yes, I was looking for a laptop to study coding with. Did you see what I was looking for?
Of course, sir. There are various breed of laptops available here and of good quality.
Can you show it?
Of course, sir. This is the price of the Acer T4 5 and laptop is 6,600,000.
Does it include the fees of installing application and so on?
Of course,
Is there a discount and warranty that I get?
of course, so there is a minimum if you buy a laptop that costs above 5 million, then you will get a 10% discount and a warranty from all states for a year.
Yes, I am instead prepare
Ari,
for me.
yes. Ari, do you want to buy other item?
What other item do you sell?
I also see laptop equipment such as USB stick, mice, and other.
I want to see the most and best dish I did for festival.
Of course, this mouse without cable and Samsung brand RAM 16 GB.
How much are the fees of for the mouse and the USB stick that you just offered?
The mouse is 50,000 and flash disk 70,000.
Is there a discount too?
Sorry, there is no discount at this time.
I rake.
Ready.
I bought an Acer S5 laptop and Samsung RAM mouse and USB stick.
Yes, you can persuade. Kuno naman, tanya